Okay, we're recording this time. Someone's cutting down a tree. Is my mic in? My mic is still in. Let's hope what happened last time doesn't happen this time. Because last time, really? Because last time, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, last time my mic fell out. Last time I was out, and it's like early too, so all the footage was junk. It's a pretty. Oh, I forgot my gloves. It's a I just got gardening gloves. Hopefully help since last time it was so cold. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, what was it? Yeah, it's like 65 degrees. Cold front just came through yesterday. Bunch of rain. It's cold. I have like no gas and stew. So we need to throw some gas in. We'll be good to go. Gas her up. Ta-da. Gotta get your air out. Throw this through here, I guess. Oh yeah, we're good, boys. We are good. Topped her right off. Damn, that took a lot of gas. Alright. Oh damn, it's kind of warm in the shed. Interesting. Throw the gas cap on. There we go. Oh yeah. Now we're talking, boys. Nice full tank. Choke it. Let her warm up for a minute. Whoa. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? So much better with gloves on. Now the only thing cold is my face. Damn it. Yeah, time just changed last night, which means we're back to filming sunsets. Never been so excited to just film a sunset. Back to filming sunsets. Gonna film one tonight. So be on the lookout for sunset photos, videos. If you're not following me on Instagram, either accounts, you got to. Levi's Backyard and Levi's Photography. Just picked up a Canon T6i, which is pretty dope. It's like $800 of equipment I was able to snag for $340, which is pretty dope. So, yeah, I'm not sure what else to talk about. Just gonna kind of ride around, have some fun. My eyes are watering. Oh! I said a bug fly in my helmet. That was nice. Hit me right in the forehead. Not even going that fast, but still. Made me jump. I don't know why I never thought of this before. I have garden gloves laying around everywhere. I don't know why I never just grabbed a pair. So smart. I do find my hands sliding though a lot more on my grips with the gloves on though, unfortunately. Look behind me real quick. Alright, I'm gonna call it here, guys. Holy crap. The wind's throwing me around a bunch. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. This probably isn't gonna come out till April, because I got videos scheduled. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have the date thing on the screen, but I got videos booked the rest scheduled for the rest of the month, which is pretty nice. Rest of whatever month, March. That's the March. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, boys, running our pin the whole way home.